Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I have my Rsx in the garage. I feel like I always start my video off with the Rsx, but this is a project that I'm currently working on, and this is a car that needs the most amount of love. So today I have a few things to do on the car, and as you guys notice, I left a lot of space on this part is because I need this wall for the headlights. These headlights are so crooked that one of them goes this way and the other one goes that way. And I've mentioned it many times, but I've been trying to find a new bumper, but 05, 06 Rsx bumpers are so hard to find, especially that's the same color. I could buy a new bumper, but the bumper won't be painted. So, I mean, it's kind of good because if I do want to wrap the car, I don't really need to paint it. This is what I'm trying to show you. You see this? You can see this part, but where the hell is the other light? There is one, but like there's nothing over here. Oh, let me get out of the way. But there's nothing on there. It's just this light. That light is gone over there somewhere. And we're gonna be using this screwdriver. I located the headlight adjustment thing. It is right there. It's right next to that. And if you just look at it, it is right here, right here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it seems like there's no point in adjusting it because this headlight is not even connected. So you see that? That's the headlight, and when I touch this part, it just turns off. So I think I have to take off this and re-plug in the headlight. So I don't know if you guys got that, but I try to explain that it seems to me that the headlight is not working because the bulb on the back is not connected properly. I don't know why, but it's just hanging around. Like, look, you guys can see this. Like, what the fuck is this? So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna take off the headlight and I'm just gonna see what's going on in the back over there. Okay, just took off this bolt right here. I'm gonna try taking off the bumper to try to take this off. Seems like there's another bolt right here, but let's just see right now. Take this off. Okay, the bumper is off. So yeah, it does seem like there's a bolt right here. I'm gonna take this off and see if the light comes out. Alright, so kind of took off this headlight. I'm not gonna take out the entire thing because there's no need. I can see behind here, and it seems to me that these are legit not connected. You see this red one, it's not connected at all. I just try to push it in right now before filming this clip, and it kind of went in. Right, so what I did for the past 10 minutes is that I tried unscrewing all these bulbs out and I reconnected them, and this one went in perfectly. The red one is having a hard time going in, especially that bulb. So I just tucked it in and I turned it. It's more stable how it is right now compared to how it was before. Let me try turning on the lights and see if they work now. Okay, the fuel pump just went on. Oh wait, it actually seems like it's working because I can see more light. Moment of truth, I think it worked. Oh yeah, hell yeah, man. A lot brighter, and you guys can see there's actually a light in there. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust it. It's gonna lower the light. Ignore the water, by the way. And there you go. This was the one that needed the adjustment, so I'm gonna put it all back together. And there you go. With a single click, the bumper, the lights, and everything is back on. I'm curious to see how the lights are right now since it's back together. Okay, I honestly think they are perfect. Okay, you guys might also know that I was trying to buy new headlights. Oh, you guys know that these ones look in a bad shape, and you guys just can see how many scratches they are, how dirty they are, and they're not even clear at all. I was thinking, instead of buying brand new headlights for about $200. Let me try this product out. Makes the headlights look a lot better than how they are right now. So instead of spending $200, I just spent about 15 bucks. I don't know if you guys already know, but this is like a headlight kit thing where it claims that if you guys have these type of headlights, it makes it as clear as this, which is practically brand new. And if it changes these ones to this, I'll be really stoked. And this is pretty much what comes in the kit. So this is an oxidation remover. This one seems like it's the sander that you could sand on the headlights. More gloves. This one is in a packet and this is a ceramic hole. I think this set is for that side and you get a set for this side, which is pretty cool. Okay, step one, it says to get these, start with one and then just keep doing on a circular motion. And once this turns all yellow, I'll move on to the next and then you can just keep moving on. This is supposed to take all the yellowness, and the yellowness is the oxidation that occurs. Are always starting to look better. You guys can see how bad they were before. I did this side as well off camera and they just look a lot better. So next, I'm pretty sure it's the sanding. Okay, so step two, we're gonna be using some water that I have right here. It says not to go in a circular motion, just keep going front and back. So we're gonna take this one off and we'll put on this gray one. Clean it with a clean wipe. Okay, so the last step, clear coating. It says to do it horizontally and only one coat will do. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be this cloudy after sanding, but I just finished the other side as well and it's about the same. Alright guys, I don't want to exaggerate this too much, but it made my lights look so good. It looks practically brand new, bro. Look at this. If you were to look at the before and after that I'm gonna post right now, the difference is incredible. Even on this side, I was only recording that side, but I was doing this off camera. And let me tell you guys, this side with that side makes it seem like I just bought brand new headlights. Yeah, so there's pretty much nothing wrong with these. I thought they were cracked. So many marks on them, so I just thought they were not savable. And now I just need a new bumper. You guys can see how messed up that is. And I don't think that's savable, by the way. I might have to buy a new one. I just want to see if it shines a lot brighter. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but for me, it seems like they're just a lot brighter than how they were before. Came here for a vacation with my family, Santa Cruz. It's beautiful. But look at this. I kind of want to go to that cliff over there, Pacific Ocean. If I were to like jump from here and swim, keep swimming, I'll probably end up in Australia. Look how beautiful this is. Bruh. Who the fuck is that? Bro, this shit is amazing.
up there. Came down here from that part. That shit was hella steep. But yeah. Alright. I mean, he's hella excited. Bruh, look at that. Oh! What's on the other side? Can I get on? Yeah? Bruh. There's more people. A seagull. And more views. Alright, next day, guys, we came to the arcade, cashing out the tickets for the arcade that we played. We only got 258 tickets, which is barely anything because these people fucking rip shit off. Like, imagine this. 6,000 tickets. I spent $20 for 200 tickets, and imagine this. So technically, somebody has to spend about $500 to even win this Monopoly game, which is ridiculous. Beautiful weather. It's quite cool. Sunny too. But yeah, it is the next day. We checked out of the hotel. So yeah, this is a beach for dogs. Up to a lighthouse. Didn't know it was a museum. So it's Santa Cruz Surfing Museum. Seems old. Look at this. Jeez. God damn. And if you really look closely, there's seals. So this was a small little trip, a 2-day trip. But yeah, that was it for me. And probably just head home.